Hello everyone and welcome back to Andy's Catholic Book Reviews. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing or specifically unwrapping of the Psalter. It's called a Psalter for Prayer. It's pretty popular. Published by the monks at Holy Trinity Monastery in Jordanville, New York. So let's just cut the package. It's pretty much standard outer package. I got a bookmark with it, which I will show you now. So I got it from the Orthodox Mission bookstore here, if you can see that. And they are an Australian Orthodox publisher, retailer, I should say. So here's all the info if you want that. I will leave all that info in the description as well. But anyways, let's go in and unbag this thing. So nice. It's just a brown paper bag, which I will put in here. Chuck it out all at once. This is the pocket edition of a Psalter for Prayer. So here is the cover, and then it gives you a card, or more like a dust jacket of some sort. So I'm not even sure how to, here we are. So it's basically a slip that goes on the back cover. It has a preview of the translation there, or some info actually. I'll give you a preview of the translation of this Psalter. So on this slip it says, "The Psalms of David are the foundation of Christian worship and integral to its form and content. This edition of the classic Coverdale translation is accompanied by prayers and rubrics from the liturgical Psalter of the Russian Church." So this is a Russian Orthodox publication. "Adapted to conform to the Greek Septuagint text," which all Orthodox use, and some Roman Catholics. Subdivided into the 20 traditional Orthodox liturgical schismata. So that's the units or groups that they're divided into. And it comes with 3 ribbons. This is a pocket edition, so it's a stiff cloth binding. So it comes with a red ribbon, blue ribbon, and a gold ribbon, which I'm gonna get out now. So here it is. Oh, it's a silver. So blue, red, and silver ribbons. So let me show you that. So there, I'm not sure how much it's coming onto the camera, but there we are. It's like a dark blue, red, and then silver. And then it's divided into the 20 Kathismata, and this being a Russian prayer book or Psalter, the table contents has every psalm listed out. There. Goes on and on. But my reason for getting it are the Kathisma prayers. So, and also the prayers before beginning the Psalter. So you've got the Trisagion prayers, and then you've got a few Triparia, and then the rubrics here. Like, say, these rubrics here, if you guys can see that little sign, I'm not even sure what it's called, that little, if you guys can see that little sign, I'm not sure what it's called. If anyone knows what that's called, then just let me know in the comments. And I will show you an example of the Kathisma prayers. So after the first Kathisma, you've got after the 8th Psalm here, you've got the doxology and Alleluia, like you're accustomed to, but then you've got these Triparia and prayers after. And so, other than that, I'm not sure if they have... Oh, they do have a rule for reading the Psalter over the departed, so I will, other than the actual Kathisma themselves, so there's the 7-bar beginning, because this is Russian, prayers before reading the Psalter, then it goes through all 20 Kathismata. After that, you've got prayers after reading the Psalter, which I was actually looking for, which is nice. And then the rite chanted following the departure of the soul from the body, so that prior to the funeral, and then reading the Psalter for the departed. The rite of the 12 Psalms, which aren't actually 12 Psalms. 9 actual Psalms and then 3 like canticles, I believe. and then in an appendix is the numbering. So I've got to break this in, but after I do, I will let you guys know how this is holding up. So thank you for listening. To support me further, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and God bless. Thank you.